Okay, so as you can tell from this little clip here, I completely demolished this fucking controller. It is fucked. It won't even go back together. The issue is, when I was using it, I accidentally threw it into a wall. Yeah. Apparently when you throw a controller into a wall, it breaks. What a concept. Anyway, I looked up how to tear it down and fix it, right? The haptic wasn't working, aka the vibrating motor that is inside the controller. The battery cover didn't stay on, and of course, the obvious factor, this fucking part was broken. You could tell because, well, that was what was not holding the battery cover. If you looked at it, you noticed that there was a fracture inside the controller. So what I had to do is I had to tear it down. You know, be the only person who has actually shown a teardown video on the Quest 2 controller, not the Quest 2 itself. Yeah, this video is just showing how you actually tear down a controller properly. Not properly. I did it wrong, but whatever. It shows you mostly how to do it properly. Maybe somebody else can show how to do it properly. You can tell mine is a little too mangled to fully show how to do it properly. All right, so first things first, take off the battery cover. Of course, take out the battery, and then you pull up the little black piece. It'll have a little bit of resistance, but don't worry. It's just plastic under it. It shouldn't cause any damage if you just rip it right up. And you're gonna take off all the screws here and here and here. This one will cause a lot of trouble if you don't take it out. And after you get all the screws out, you should be able to pull out pull off the outer part of the ring, not the inner part. It'll rip apart the thing. I learned the hard way. See this broken cable? Yeah, that's the thing. All right, after that, you push this part in and pull this part out, and it should snap like this. And after that, you're just going to pull this cover off. Now with that off, you're just going to pull this, and it should just snap right off like this. So if you've taken it apart to fix the vibrating motor is right here. You just connect the little cable. Should be fine. You can put it back together. Good luck putting it back together. It's a little difficult. It's like a fucking puzzle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's about it. That's all I can really say. There's not really much more information I can give you about how to take this apart, other than the fact that I didn't take it apart all the way. And it's clearly, you're able to see all the screws here, so you could take it apart the rest of the way if you want. Yeah, I sacrificed a $40 controller for this, so, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video.